Hi everyone, you're welcome to Ismatics. In this video, I'll be giving solution to this equation as we have it here. This is an indicial equation, and let us give solution to it. We have 7x to the power of x is equal to 7 to the power of 7 to the power of 7. This is an indicial equation which may look complex, but we are going to break this down and see the possibility of getting our way through, that is, to finding the value of x. Mathematics is all about seeking possibilities in a particular set. So let us see how possible we can go about this. First step we are going to take here is to share the power here among 7 and x, and we are going to have 7 to the power of x dot x to the power of x. That is 7 to the power of x times x to the power of x. Since we are very much aware that 7 multiplied by x gives us 7x, and the power x here is being shared among 7 and x, is equal to 7 to the power of 7 to the power of 7. Alright, what is the next step we are going to take? At this point, we are going to take the log of both sides. Yes, we are going to take the natural log of both sides, which here we are going to have ln of 7 to the power of x dot x to the power of x is equal to ln 7 to the power of 7 to the power of 7. Fine. This is one of the steps. This is just natural logarithm. So we don't get it twisted. It's natural log. Again, what is the next thing we are going to do? In logarithm, we can separate this as ln 7 to the power of x plus ln x to the power of x is equal to ln 7 to the power of 7 to the power of 7. Since in logarithm, when two numbers multiply, that is their logarithm, that when there is an addition in logarithm, then there can be a multiplication of their powers. We are dealing with natural logarithm at this point. So what again are we going to do? Here we are going to say, write this as ln 7 to the power of x plus ln x to the power of x is equal to, we can write this as 7 ln 7 to the power of 7. According to the laws of logarithm, the power law of logarithm, we can write this as 7 ln 7 to the power of 7. Again, we can say that logarithm of numbers to their own base, logarithm to its own base is equal to 1, which implies that ln x to the power of x is equal to 1, and ln 7 to the power of 7 is equal to 1. Logarithm to their own base is equal to 1. This is ln x base 7, ln x base x, and 7 ln 7 base 7. So we can substitute into the equation where we have that ln 7 ln x base 7 plus ln x base x will be equal to 1 is equal to 7 ln 7 base 7 will give us 1, and we are going to have this as ln x base 7 plus 1 is equal to 7 multiplied by 1 is 7. Again, we can write this as ln 7 x base 7 is equal to 7 this minus 1 crossing the equality sign becomes, this plus 1 crossing the equality sign becomes minus 1. So we have 7 minus 1 is 6. This is going to give us ln x base 7 is equal to 6. Again, from the definition of logarithm, we can say that if definition of logarithm says that if a to the power of x is equal to b, then log b base a is equal to x. If a to the power of x is equal to b, then log b base a is equal to x, which means in the definition of logarithm, what it means is if you are looking for the value of b log b base a, it means how many times a is going to multiply itself to give you b, which means how many times a is going to raise itself to power to give you b. And here we are given that it is equal to x. That is what brought about a to the power of x is equal to b. Then we apply this principle here as we have ln 7 to the power of x is equal to 6. We can write this as x is equal to 7 to the power of 6. 7 to the power of 6. And what is 7 to the power of 6 going to be? 7 to the power of 6. Okay, since I don't have my calculator close by, I can break this down by writing 7 to the power of 3 power 2. Since according to law of indices, the power law of indices, this can also be 3 multiplied by 2, which gives back 6. So I can write this way. And having written this in this form, what is 7 to the power of 3? That is 7 multiplied by 7, which is 49. Yes, and 49 multiplied by 7 gives 343. So this is going to be 343 squared. And if I square 343, it's going to give me that x is equal to 117,649. Yes, the value of x here is going to be 117,649. And this provides us with the solution to this indicial equation. This is just the process we can follow to give solution to this equation. And maybe there's any other observation as to this, you can drop that in the comment section. Please don't forget to like our video, subscribe to Ismatics if you have not done so. We have a lot of things we are going to handle in this, and please don't forget to always stay connected. Your comments, they are very much important to us, and you can always reach out to us through that. And you can as well drop your questions where we work together to give solution to those questions. All right, till the next class, do have a wonderful moment.